Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What follows are mistakes that would make you fail your driving test. First mistake is overtaking on a blind spot. And then the second mistake is putting a lifesaver too close to your car. And it should be at least 30 meters behind your car and 30 meters in front of your car. Like for example, this one is close to the car, so it is placed wrongly, while the other one is placed at least 30 meters away from the car, so this one is the correct one. The third mistake is you should not stop in the middle of the road to pick or to drop passengers. The fourth mistake is you should not drive at night with full lights on unless it's necessary. The fifth mistake is that you should never enter a junction without signaling. For example, this car, if it wants to move to the left side, it has to signal that it's proceeding to the left side. And then the sixth mistake is that you should never accelerate when someone is overtaking you. For example, this car is overtaking this car, so it's overtaking at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, while the other one is accelerating at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour, and it's not allowed. The seventh mistake is that you should never drive while texting. The eighth mistake is that you should never drive when on phone. The ninth mistake is that you should never overload. For example, this car is carrying huge loads of luggage. The 10th mistake is that you should never switch lanes without signaling. For example, if you wanted to change the lane to the right lane, you have to signal that you are moving to the right. The 11th mistake is that you should never overlap in traffic. For example, this car is overlapping in traffic. It's not allowed. The 12th mistake is that you should never take wrong lanes at the roundabout. And the 13th one is that you should never switch lanes at the roundabout. This sums up the 13 mistakes that could make you fail your driving test.